Hey everyone. Today I'm diving into the world of social media marketing, or SMM for short. If you're looking to boost your brand, this is your golden ticket. First up, let's talk content creation. Killer content is key. Think engaging videos, eye-catching images, and snappy blog posts. Whatever your medium, make sure it's on brand and resonates with your audience. Next, platform selection. You've got to be where your audience is. LinkedIn for B2B, Instagram for visual content, TikTok for hitting Gen Z. Tailor your content to each platform's vibe. Community engagement is crucial. Reply to comments, slide into those DMs, run polls, and host live sessions. Building a loyal community means interacting and staying active. Don't sleep on paid advertising. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer super targeted ads. You can reach your ideal audience based on their interests and behaviors. Analytics and insights are your best friends. Track likes, shares, comments, and conversions. Use this data to tweak and refine your strategy for better results. And of course, influencer marketing. Partner with influencers who have a strong, engaged following. They can amplify your message and give your brand that extra push. So, what are the benefits? Increased brand awareness, direct customer engagement, cost-effective advertising, real-time feedback, and driving traffic to your website, just to name a few. In essence, social media marketing is a powerhouse. It's your ticket to connecting with your audience, showcasing your brand, and smashing your business goals. Remember, the digital world is vast and evolving, so stay updated on the latest trends and keep experimenting. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this useful and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.